The 14th core objective stipulates that the provider has the capability to exchange key clinical information among providers of care and patient-authorized entities electronically. In order to exchange key clinical information, we will access the CCR Report tab under EMR. Here, we can search for a patient in our system, such as Jerry Jefferson. Next, we will select the date range. For this example, I will leave a blank, which will provide us the entire history of Jerry Jefferson within our system. Finally, we will check the relevant clinical information we want to include in this report. In this case, I will simply press Select All to include all this information shown here. Once we've selected the correct criteria for our report, we can press the Search button and obtain the report seen here. In order to transmit this information electronically, we can generate a CCD file from the report and save it to our computer and provide it to the receiving entity.